Hey guys, and welcome to another video of ACOnetwork. Today is short tutorial video for Mozilla Firefox, web browser, and how to remove ads inside web pages. So, before I continue, I just want you to subscribe, like and share my videos. So, without further ado, let's start! So first, I of course need to open up Mozilla Firefox web browser. And inside this window, just click the three lines, click Add-ons, click Extensions, and in Search All Add-ons search box just type in uBlock. Press Enter or just click this magnifying glass, whatever you want. Now, search for uBlock Origin, and on the end of this line just click Install. By clicking Add, you are confirming installing this extension, and that is just notification that this extension was successfully installed. Just click OK, and as you see, uBlock is right here. So let's go to some website. For example, I open up this YouTube website, and as you see, there is a number, free. That means that free ads on this website are blocked. But let's say we do not want blocking any ads on this website. Just click this uBlock icon, click this button, this blue button, and just click refresh. If you want to re-enable blocking all ads on this website, just click this grayish icon and click refresh again, and all ads are blocked. Just one thing, that on some websites you need to unblock a website because some functionality of website you cannot use if this ad blocker blocks it. For example, on one web page that you are selling stuff and buying stuff, I could not post so I am selling some article because ad blocker blocked this specific functionality, so I needed to unblock it. Just one more thing is that on this list you can see there are a lot of different blockers, ad blockers. Before uBlock I used adblock because it was very good, but I think uBlock is better. Let's say you want to disable ads on YouTube videos. You know that all these ads are annoying when you are watching videos, but remember that if you install this ad, most ads on these videos will be blocked. But remember that with those ads, all of these people which shows you all of these videos, they are making money from these ads. So it is all up to you if you want to block these ads or not. So that was it for today. If you like the video, just type it in below this video in comment section. If you have any questions, if did not understand something, whatever, write everything below this video. And remember that stuff that I covered in this video, I put links inside video description down below. So, have a nice day, bye bye! If you like the video, of course, give thumbs up, comment the video, share the video with your friends, co-workers and so on, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos.